Hello everyone, I'm here to try to help you understand why do you choose skin therapy, skin products versus everything else on the market. And it boils down to maximal strength, which means maximal visible results. I'm talking today about exfoliating repair. Now, you have to exfoliate your skin, number one, because you build up dead skin on the surface of the skin, and that just makes your skin look older. It helps gravity because it's weight that's sitting on the surface. It makes the skin look dull. It increases wrinkles. It increases brown spots. It increases the risk of disease. So you've got to exfoliate your skin. But most importantly, you've got to exfoliate your skin correctly. Because if you don't, you will inflame, age, and increase the risk of disease more than sun and pollution and stress does already. So why exfoliating repair? Why skin therapy exfoliating repair? Number one is it gently, for starters, on a regular basis, it gently but maximally strength exfoliates. Why? Because scientifically, it all boils down to science. What's the maximal scientifically correct way of doing things? Number one is chirally, chemically correct, so that every ingredient is maximally functioning, physiologically turns on a good result and not a bad result. And also every ingredient with chirally correct products is maximally functioning. So you're not wasting your money when you put things on your skin which are not chirally correct. So that means if they're not chirally correct, 50% at best of what you're putting on your skin and entrusting does not work. So chirally correct. So 100% of the ingredients are maximally functioning, physician strength, maximal results. And so exfoliating repair is full of L-lactic acid. L-lactic is what your skin most wants to exfoliate. All the other glycolics, salicylics, those inflame your skin. Those are increasing the risk of disease. There's increasing aging, increasing the risk of brown spots. You don't want to spend your money on what's aging you and increasing your risk more than life is. So L-lactic acid, it is full of ingredients that are anti-inflammatory. So I use this exfoliating repair on people who have rosacea, with acne, with milia, with enlarged pores. What it's doing is it's so anti-inflammatory while it's getting rid of the dead skin that's blocking your pores and causing acne, increasing your inflammation, which contributes to rosacea, enlarged pores, etc. So when you use this, all the ingredients, every ingredient in here in exfoliating repair is helping to resolve your skin condition. It's helping to decrease aging. It's helping to make your skin look more youthful, to help get rid of brown, to help decrease those enlarged pores, because every ingredient from the pumpkin ferment, from the lycopenes, from every ingredient that's in there is maximally. You cannot make a product that is exfoliating and anti-inflaming at the same time that is stronger than this product. So there's a reason that you use exfoliating repair. It's, again, with acne. After you use it, you'll see the pimples, the redness, the inflammation get better within minutes, and the results compound over time. Now, do I increase people to stronger as their skin gets more trained and stronger and metabolically more active and more youthful? Yes, I increase them to peel, but they're still using exfoliating repair because people get blackheads. Exfoliating repair goes in and melts, dissolves the blackheads. So if you've got blackheads, that's because internally you've got certain things that are causing that, but I'm going in on the surface of the skin and helping resolve your problems with a maximal strength so that every ingredient in there is working as strongly as possible to make your skin be as healthy and as beautiful as any man, woman wants it to be. Hope this helps. Exfoliating repair, why this versus everything else that's on the market. And there are travel sizes on the website so you can experience and see for yourself, because I'm a show me, don't tell me person. Thank you.